The Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro was launched on the 22nd of November, that is this month in India, but it was launched globally in October. I was able to test the Note 6 Pro for quite a bit, and in this video, we're going to find out what this mid-ranger really has to offer, and without further ado, let's get to it. I got the Note 6 Pro on Jumia's global platform for Black Friday, and it took about 15 days to get to Nigeria and got delivered through Jumia's Fast Jumia Express, which was quite okay compared to standard shipping time if I ordered it directly myself and paid import duties, which kind of sucks. After going through the quick unboxing, we have the phone itself, the power adapter, the charging cable, no side of headphone jack here, which might be a bummer for some, and inside the accompanying envelope is where you have the SIM ejector tool, the nice rubber case, and the user guide. As far as the phone itself, the front sticker shows you the highlights with a 20 plus 2 megapixel front camera and 12 plus 5 megapixel dual autofocus back camera, a 6.26 inch display, and a 4000 mAh battery. Taking the wrap off the front of the Note 6 Pro shows you the 6.2 inch front display with somewhat visible bezels while it's off, and as far as the ports and I/O goes, again on top you have the microphone and IR port, and then there's a headphone jack up top. On the bottom is where we have the charging port, the speaker grills, and on the left is where we have the hybrid SIM slot, and on the right is where we have the power button and the volume rockers. On the front and back of the device is where we have the dual cameras, which makes 4 cameras on this phone, the flash and the fingerprint reader, and moving down the back a little bit we have the markings and certifications. Booting up the Note 6 Pro goes straight into MIUI's onboarding experience, and it didn't take that long. It even took less than a minute to set up. I'll jump straight into the display, and here's where we have a 6.2 inch 1080 by 2280p 19:9 aspect ratio display with a PPI of 403, and it's a Gorilla Glass display which actually felt quite sturdy. Video playback on the Note 6 Pro looked okay at 1080p, and it wasn't too saturated. I also loved that the notch wasn't a distraction when I was watching videos or playing games, and I've got the rose gold version with me, which initially I thought I wouldn't like, but I later did, and again it also comes in red, blue, and black colors. On here you have a mid-range Snapdragon 636 processor. It's an octa-core processor that's clocked at 1.8 GHz, and it's using an Adreno 509 graphics chip. The Note 6 Pro has got 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, which is the version I have, and it's got a 4GB and 64GB storage version, which is more expensive obviously, and it's got Bluetooth 5.0, it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo with the MIUI 9 skin on top of it, and it's got a 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery. I must say that using the Note 6 Pro actually felt quite snappy to use, and I didn't notice any lags whatsoever. Gaming, browsing, and overall usage on this device will really be snappy for you. As far as the camera though, I took the Note 6 Pro head to head with the Huawei Nova 3i, which has been my daily driver for quite a while, and here are the results. To be upfront with you guys, both the front and back cameras of the Huawei Nova 3i are very saturated, and as far as portrait mode went, Huawei really does a good job of bringing it to life, while the Xiaomi still looked like it needed a little bit of work. Although they are both almost perfect, the Xiaomi looks more natural while the Nova 3i looks more saturated. I'd also say that the Huawei Nova 3i is more contrasty almost to a fault, while the Xiaomi again looked more balanced and natural with the reds. I'd prefer the skin tones of the Note 6 Pro overall, and the greens again are more saturated on the Nova 3i, while on the Xiaomi Note 6 Pro it looks more natural and it can look better for some. Hey guys, so this is the front camera test for the Huawei Nova 3i and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro. You can hear the audio of each one switching, and yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. As I said in the beginning of this video, I got the Note 6 Pro on Jumia for around 73,800 naira, which is approximately $210. And if you go on Jumia right now, you can literally get 10,000 naira off for 62,000 naira on the Xiaomi Note 6 Pro with the link in the description below. Do I think it is worth it? I'd say yes with a but. The Note 6 Pro has been a great device for me and is definitely feature packed, but there's also a device like the Infinix Note 5 which even has more battery. It has the same RAM and the same storage size with a pure Android One experience, which gets more updates for a lesser price of 54,930 naira. However, if you are more concerned about speed, if you're speed conscious, then yes, the Xiaomi Note 6 Pro is definitely your best bet. That's pretty much it guys. Do let me know what you think about this device in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, let me hear from you guys in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.